Hi everyone, this is Nutrace with a new video. In this video, we are going to talk about like what is encapsulation, what is it really? Okay, so I've seen like a lot of people like don't have like a clear picture or idea like what is it really encapsulation. Many of us know the definitions like it's like hiding the data. So in this video, we are going to discuss the same thing. And so let's start. So the first, let's say, let's say that there is a user. Suppose say this is the user. Okay. This user want to send say some amount. Okay. Say user want to send some amount. Say suppose say 1,000. Okay. Let's say the user want to send 1,000 to someone. Okay. User enters the sender name, everything. Okay, then user enters the pin on the screen. Okay, now the next thing what happens in the background is, okay, user name is already there in the app. Okay, so it gets automatically sent with the pin and the username to say, let's say, calculate current balance. Okay, so the purpose of this current balance, calculate current balance method, okay, which belongs to this class process payments, say class A, is to calculate like what is the remaining balance. Now, to calculate remaining balance means after sending the 1,000. So to do that, we need the opening balance. Now, how do we get that? Okay, this is how we get it. The calculate current balance method calls another method get balance. These are the private methods which belong to this class, say user balance. We can call it class B. So these are private methods. So this current calculate current balance method calls it get balance method, or in other words we can call it the getter method. Okay, this is the getter method and this is the setter method. So after, so why do we use this method is there is to perform validations like username, password. There could be other validations like currency, something, okay, like country. There could be any other validations on this data. So after that is done, this method provides this data back to the current balance method. Okay, it comes back to the current balance method. It does the processing. So let's say the balance was 10,000. Okay, the user sent 1,000. The remaining balance is 9,000. Okay, this is the remaining balance. After the calculation is done, what this does is this method, this posts the remaining balance, sends the remaining balance here, sends this remaining balance here to this set balance method. Then this set balance method updates the balance. Okay, and this updates the DB. Okay, from here it updates in the private attribute. Okay, this is the private attribute. So this data cannot be accessed outside. Okay, from here it gets updated to the DB. Okay, now we must be thinking like why we are doing this all this thing, why this everything is here. Okay, because even I thought the same thing, that why we need this separate class. Only with this one method itself is enough. We can just call this method get the balance. We'll write a select in this method from the DB, directly get the method in from the DB, and update, again do an update statement to do the update in the DB. So why we are doing all this thing, correct? It's lot of work, correct? It's lot of work here. Now the reason is because eh, you must have also seen, like if you have a little bit of experience, you must have came across this scenario where we have seen like there are methods like get methods and set methods are there which are protecting some kind of a data. So why it happens? So why this whole thing is there is to protect sensitive data. This is the sensitive data, the balance, the user balance, which is very sensitive, correct? Because we can't give a balance of a user to anyone, correct? So it's that before we send this thing out, we need to validate that yeah, this is the correct user, and yes, this is the right person to whom we can give out this balance. So that is why we create. So as per definition, what is encapsulation? It means wrapping up the data inside something. Okay. In simple, I'm not telling you about word to word, but this is how I remember. This is how I remember. It's very simple. Okay, this is the data balance which we are protecting, and this is hidden behind this method get method for accessing outside, and set method to be overwritten or updated by something. Okay, so this is hidden behind these two methods, and this whole class is there just to protect this. So this concept, this portion here, is known as encapsulation. I hope you understood like what is encapsulation. If you have any questions regarding it, please leave in the comment section, and if you want me to make any other video regarding any other topic, please let me know in the comments or contact me. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and please hit the like button and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified once I upload another next video. So have a nice day. Enjoy. Bye bye.